today. I've got my shopping right here. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna get the shopping from the bag, and this is a bag that I just put right here in the house, so I just changed it to this bag right now. This is a clean bag, but the shopping packaging is dirty because of the coronavirus. It is from the shop, so it's not clean. I could not sanitize it, but this is what I've done. I'm gonna use soap to rub it like that. So I'm using soap to wrap my packaging. Okay, this bag is clean. It's just the shopping inside it. I had to turn it over and put the shopping in there. The shopping bags that I got from the shopping center, I put them in the bin. Okay, so that is the clean packaging, and this is the dirty packaging from the shopping center. So this is what I'm doing. If you give it a good wrap, okay, and turn it around, it's 20 seconds. You know that 20 seconds? Yes, and those edges, and that should make the coronavirus really weak. Because when I'm taking out my sausages, I'm not gonna eat all of them in one go. I'm gonna keep taking out like about 4 for one day, and 4 for one day, and 4 for the other day. So I'm gonna need this packaging. I'm gonna keep touching it. So the best thing is to put clean packages in my fridge, because that will mess up the whole fridge. So right now I'm just washing off. I think I rubbed it enough with soap. Okay. Yeah, I'll give it more. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm just giving it a double. Okay, just to be on the safe side, because I'm not really calculating, just imagining what 20 seconds is like, and I'm believing that it is that. Okay, so yeah, I'm rinsing it off. Alright, I guess that there's no holes, so if this company put this plastic bag and there's holes in it, soap and water would go in there, okay? But the fact that there's no holes, so it's not gonna go in there. And the packaging is clean right now. I can't say it has coronavirus if people have been touching it. What I can say is it's clean, because I've used 20 seconds of rubbing it with soap. It's about the soap. And what do I do next? I put it here, because this is where I've been putting. And if you watch this, I usually turn the bags round so that that corner of the bag is facing that side, and it's all like that, so that I can put the shopping there every time I wash it. And yeah, that's just about it. I keep putting the clean one here, and the dirty ones are coming from here, and make sure this bag is clean as well, because I keep touching it when I'm getting the shopping out of there. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, that's just about it. This is the cheese that can last me for ages, okay? I'm not gonna get something that's gonna get rotten, because I might not use it today. So I had to pack a few so that I don't get something that's gonna get rotten. So what do I do now? I get my soap and I wrap it. Okay, so because I'm gonna use this to make breakfast, I need it. And by the way, this cheese is quite healthy. It's quite cheap. There's another brand I'm gonna show you that really does the magic. It's that brand. It's also a good one actually. I do take this, but these don't, like, you only eat the one you open. It doesn't have a very quick expiry date. Okay, so if you're gonna store it for a long period of time, these are very useful. Okay, so as long as the top packaging is okay, we're good. And the fact that each cheese is covered in a cling foil still, so whichever one you open is the one you eat, and then you have the rest still covered even when you open this packaging. So it's really nice. It's a good one for this season. Yeah, I think I've done more than 20 seconds really. I don't know if you can see the bubble. We've got the bubble. It's time consuming, but it is worth it. And trust me, when you have a fridge that you know is clean, regardless of how you've been doing shopping within the coronavirus season, it gives you a peace of mind that yeah, at least I cleaned them. So I did the best that I could. Put it there. Okay, so I got my wrap from the other bags. I kept the other bags in another room. I just get them new bags, but the actual items I take out one by one and wash it, or I wait for 3 days if I can. Yeah, because I washed the other ones because I couldn't keep them in the room, but this I need it. Okay, so that's why I got it a little bit earlier, and that gives me a lot of peace actually. I feel comfortable when I'm eating. I'm not worried about anything, because it's all sorted. And when I get a little cold, at least I know it's not the other cold that I don't want. It's a different one, the usual one. Okay, so I've got a clear conscience that I've done the right thing. Can't be lazy when it comes to these things. Kids are saying hi to you guys. I think they're missing you because it's been a while. It feels like a while, but not really. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's got lots of water, so it just needs to dry a bit. I don't really have the strength to, you know, pick that water off, but I just needed this. And yeah, I've got those, so I've got something to eat now. That's just about it. I'm gonna wash this with soap. I don't know how many times I touched it with my hands, but I do give it a wipe like that, because this thing, it lasts so long on stainless steel and hard surfaces. So the last thing I need is for it to have touched my top, because I'm gonna be touching it all the time. Go in with this. It's quite heavy. Wow. And that's the chicken. I got a few bags. Yeah, so I put these bags and they're well prepared for me to just put the packs after washing. These are very clean bags. Yeah, when I wash it, dry it, I just put it in a clean bag. And so this is the dirty, not that dirty. It's also a different bag from the one I used to shop, but it's just the one that I was keeping them in. The inside is dirty, the outside is clean. So yeah, but after washing, the inside is gonna be clean in this one.